open.
Come on, Nicholas.
Benjamin. Ben. That guy in the middle. Over there. Yeah.
Come on, Nicholas.
Come on, Curtis.
Got time.
Good job, Tyler.
Have one, Billy.
Benjamin. See the middle?
Come on, Nicholas.
Michael, higher. Go. Benjamin.
Come on. Yeah, Nicholas. Go, Nicholas. Come on, Nicholas. Help him.
Way to go, Nick!
Nick, watch it.
Watch our sides. All right. Nicholas is wide open.
Oh, Jerry, go.
Come on. Go. Go, Nick. Stay with him, Nicholas.
Not in the goal. What happened?
Get it out! Michael, get it out!
Michael, take it for a ride.
Come on, Tyler! Go, Michael! Go!
gonna use it for something else? No, she was going to use it to play with the toys. They did, no? Go, Nicholas!
Take it.
Take the shot!
Oh.
Get it out! Get it out!
Get back there, Michael.
Yes, Nicholas!
Red.
Go.
Turn around, Nick. Turn around, Nick.
Nice, Tyler.
Hey.
Get it out, get it out.
Watch your sides, Nicholas.
Come on, Michael. Get it out, Mikey.
Yes!
Tyler, that's you. Get it out.
Go, Tyler. Good job.
Get it out! Get it out!
Good kick, Michael.
Get it! Take the shot! Help him, someone! Come on, Curtis.
Nick, he's going to draw you off. Watch out.
Kick it right in, Ben. Let's go.
Nick, Susan kicks it. Go.
Indirect?
Indirect.
Is it indirect? off.
Direct.
Go, Ben.
Go, Nick. It's important to them.
Come on, go get it, Nicholas. Go get it. Go get it, Nicholas.
Here you go, Michael.
Send it.
Michael, don't.
Michael.
Just.
There you go. Watch your sides, Nick. Okay, you're good.
Step up, Gavin.
Go tell her.
That kid 15 years old.
Watch the guy behind you, team.
Go. Give it out. Just had a stroke and she's going to go to Florida. So she's sick. We won't see them for a whole month. They're in Florida.
Stay with them, man. Good. Got a free one on that. Game. Middle of the box. Ashley, he's gonna go up. You gotta go with him.
I'm the slow.
Relax over there. Over the top of the box. Tyler.
Get it out, Tyler. Good job, Ashley! Come on, Ash! Go,
She gave me a little box of candy. I couldn't have it. That's on my diet. And I lost 4 pounds.
Daddy made each of them cake cupcakes.
Oh, really?
Get it out. Go, Ashley.
Nice, Curtis. Very nice.
Go. At least they follow it up. They follow through though. They're there. Oh, wow!
Ben said the kid keeps pushing him.
Come on, Tyler!
Well, you just gotta pay off.
Oh my god. I ball again.
Come on, guys. Direct kick, Mike, or indirect?
Correct. Staying in. There we go.
Go, Curtis.
Behind you. Take it! Take it, Ash! don't give it in.
Good. Go, Dylan.
Take it.
Ashley. Go.
Do something there. Woo!
Awesome.
Come on, get, oh, come on, guys, come on, team it in! Get in there, right? Get in there, guys, come on! Somebody get in there! Come on! Oh.
Nice, Curtis. Go, Curtis. Help him.
There's the back. Good play. Take it up. Okay, go back. Go back. Go back.
Come on, Red.
Go, Ash. Turn and run.
Oh, jeez.
Candace, go and help Tyler.
This is the most frustrating game ever.
Stop. Ashley, impressive. You can do this. Let's go.
Take it in.
Just got trampled.
Stepped on his hand. Guy's hand stepped on.
Actually stepped all over.
Come on, guys, keep the pressure on.
See, I told you that window.
Get it, Tyler. Come on, Tyler. Yes!
Go, Ash. Go, Ash.
Head back in the game, guys.
That's up, man.
Let's try, Josh.
Try, guys. Tyler.
Go, Tyler, go. Oh.
Go. Go, Ash. Go on this side. Go on this side. Go, Ash. Go, Ash. Go. A little bit too far. A little bit too far. That's you on a hop. That's you on a hop. Ash, get back on side. On your side, Nick. On your side, Nick. Watch the middle.
I'm going to work. 90% of Americans are in Illinois.
True, but he's a gym teacher.
So what?
All over with.
Tyler. Hold the way. Benjamin. Let's all stand in front of the ball. Somebody at 10 yards. Somebody at 10 yards. Watch the shot. Stand at 10 yards. Get right to touch it. Excellent. Lose your kick. Tyler, in the pole, buddy. Come on, Tyler. Right in, see.
What was that? Yeah, but you can't let them know you're going to do it. Come on.
Come on, Nicholas.
Shoot! Benjamin, what are you doing? Mike, take it! Josh, move up, Josh. Go get it.
Very fun. Oh,
Mike,
God.
up.
Very funny.
Outside, turn. Get in.
Go get it, go get it.
Way to control the game, Hayden. Good job. All right. Turn and go, turn and go. Benjamin, that's yours. Red. Tyler, that's you.
Yes,
Good.
Tyler.
Good. Tyler.
All right, Mike. Don't stop there. Wait for them.
Keep going, guys.
Go.
Watch your ball, make up. Keep control of this game. Yes. All right, Mike.
Go, Nicholas.
Go,
Nicholas. Look at him.
Go.
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
That's a good win.
Okay. That was
Good job.
Yes. Go. Quick, go.
Don't push him.
They push every time they push.
All right, that's it. Go. Go. Oh, Jesus, guys. Let's go. Keep it up, Lightning.
Stop him. Benjamin, go. Go, Benjamin, go. Get out and go.
Grab it. Nice, Hayden, nice.
Take your time.
You got it, Spider. Yes.
Josh.
Oh.
Go. Ashley, go. Ashley, go.
Where's everybody?
Josh, that's your ball.
Go, Tyler! Stop him!
Good job.
Good play, Tyler. Benjamin, hard.
Ben, hurry up. Go.
Get it out! Get it out!
Oh, yeah!
Let's go back.
Spider!
Stop him!
Nick, don't stop. Don't stop.
Step it in, Nick, step it in! All right,
Go.
Cut his go! Cut his go! Ashley! Gosh! All right, Ashley! Shoot! Oh, come on, Ashley! Sorry.
That's over, right?
Yeah.
Ashley! Go, Tyler, run!
Defense!
Nice, Michael.
Go.
Okay, Josh! Defense! Jump on!
All right.
All right, guys, come on. Get back! Get outside! Come on, all right, Benjamin! Shoot!
Oh my gosh.
Keep going.
Oh yeah, come on, go. Oh boy, Benjamin, go. Even if he doesn't want it up.
Josh, this side, Josh. Watch your side, Josh.
Go, Michael!
Nice kick.
Come on, guys.
Stay missile, stay missile.
Good job, Michael. Get it out, Mike.
Yeah, Mike, go.
Good job, Michael.
Watch out, Josh. Good. Good talking to each other.
Get Ashley.
Shoot!
Oh my gosh.
Shoot it! Ashley's wide open!
Oh man.
Good back, guys! He's like there for the take. Okay, that's it! Okay. Kevin! Get back! Good time! Good, Tyler, go! Come out there. Watch five, Josh. Oh boy. Oh yeah! Oh
Back up,
man!
Mike, go. Turn around, Hayden. Good defense, guys.
Double MVPs this game. Hayden.
They're all doing well.
Nice. 9 minutes in, I think.
Come on, Josh. Keep it
Still
going,
at
Josh.
12. Now it's 12.
Nice kick, Nick. Go, Dylan. Come on, Joshua.
Tyler, that's you. Don't just stand there.
Get it out, guys.
Pass
Get
the
it
middle,
out.
Josh. Always to the outside. Yeah, stay in midfield. Don't go off it. Stay in midfield. Kenneth, go off it. Tyler. Go in midfield. Hey.
Good kick. Nice kick.
Go, Nick.
Come on, Nicholas.
Tyler, stay in midfield. Don't go offense. Just stay there.
Come on, Hay. Tough, Hay. 12 minutes in.
That's not been bad. You seem like.
Come on, man. You know, coach and Harry.
Yeah, they seem fine.
They're biting the nails like we are.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice throw. Good throw.
Good job, Dylan. Take the corner, buddy.
Guys. Josh. Tyler, what's the middle?
Oh, good try.
Come on, Nick. Win it.
What's up, Josh?
Come on, Dylan.
Tyler, go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Come on, Dylan. Go, Dylan. Come on, Dylan.
And Lucky Charms tastes good too.
Nice.
Woo!
Tyler, stay in the midfield. Number 11. All right. Curtis, go. Go, Curtis.
Take it, Dylan! Take it, Dylan!
Young, got it.
Go, Tyler! Nice, Tyler. Good. Nice, Tyler.
Come on.
Back at him, back at him!
Come on, guys. Work together.
All right.
Josh,
Josh, Josh. Good.
Nice.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, good. Tyler, get back.
Nick, stay there!
Nick, get it out. Go down. Tyler, get back.
Go, James!
7 it. Nice pass.
Defense.
Oh!
Good goal.
That was a perfect angle shot.
Go, Ben.
All right, Ben. Nothing gets through now. Let's go. Yes. Shoot, Dylan, shoot!
Oh.
Yep.
Benjamin, don't stop! Good.
Tyler, go back.
Josh, your side, Josh.
Nice.
Clear.
Watch behind you, Josh. Behind you, Josh. Love you to drop behind you. Nick, Nice defense, guys.
Nick, you play to the whistle.
Nice save, baby.
Play to the whistle.
Come on, mark up. Let's go. Come on, Red.
Benjamin, when you get the ball, I want to get the ball. Let the ball go.
You don't have to score anymore. If he goes up there.
All that you have to do is, Nick, wait, Nick.
Nice kick, Nick.
Let's go! Sit in midfield.
Spread it out. Where's Josh? Come on, Josh, get back. Watch 11. He's gonna cross to 11. You got 2 in the mid.
Benjamin, don't go forward. Stay in the midfield. Stay in midfield. Don't go when to get the ball. Let the ball go.
Let's go, Lightning. Go, Red.
See these guys over here. Watch that team.
Nice. Good. Go, Dylan. Push it.
Go, Dylan, go!
Tyler's next to you.
Come on, Dylan. Shoot. Somebody help him.
Somebody got to come in from the back. Team sport, guys.
All right.
Josh.
Get it out.
Come on, Benjamin.
Get it.
Come on, Dylan.
Good job, Tyler.
Benjamin, that 2 of you, take your time.
Let's go.
Go, Nick.
Look at Tyler.
Get it, Josh.
Good. Go.
Go.
Take it. Dylan was sitting right there.
Guys, team sport. Benjamin, get a ball. Get it.
Good job, Josh. Yeah, Josh, yeah.
Come on. Stay with him. Just get it out.
Hey, Josh. All right, good.
Go wide.
Don't wait for it. Don't wait for that ball next time, Dylan. Back. You got a guy.
Hey, you don't know, put it on the left side. I don't know who. Why is he there?
Yes,
Good job.
Tyler.
5 minutes.
Go.
Yes.
Yeah, Ben.
Benjamin, hurry up. Don't let it go.
Benjamin, hurry up. Come back. Kenny, hey, Josh, get this guy.
Get the ball. Dylan, go.
Nice pass.
Come on, Dylan. All right.
Play, Curtis.
Who's in there?
Push up.
Who's in there? Just go. Kenny, okay, go.
He's got a big right foot.
Shoot it. That's in. That's in.
No more. Great shot. Finish. 6 straight.
I'm going to keep.
Play tough, guys. Ain't over yet.
Never, ever.
4 minutes left. The game is over.
Ever.
4 minutes.
Good job, Nick.
Send
There you
it.
go.
Keep doing what you do. The game is over when you hear the referee go, sweep, then the game is over. Till then, it ain't over. Get back. All right, Benjamin, go.
Stop.
Get it out.
Nice, Tyler.
Go, White Tyler.
Nice, Tyler.
Gotta go, White.
Defense, keep back, defense.
Go.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Back up, defense, back up.
That's you, James. That's you. Run after that. You're on that.
Josh, get back. Come on, Josh.
Nick, get it. Get the ball. Nice. I got the
Yeah, Tyler.
And I told my husband they're winning this game today. I told him.
They win, Dylan.
Lucky Charms sufficient breakfast of game to game days.
happens when you play aggressive.
We'll have to make DVDs of this game.
Oh, man.
Get it out! Curtis!
And think of all the shots we took, too.
Oh.
They just keep pulling the trigger. It's great. Defense playing good.
Come on, guys.
What you doing? Get it out!
outside.
Oh my gosh.
Watch behind you, Josh! Watch behind you!
Get back, Nick.
Tyler, go. Don't stay. Good job. Benjamin, go.
2 minutes.
Go! Get it out! All right, get it out! Go! All right, hands up,
Go, guys. Go. Fall back.
Yeah, Josh.
Yes! Yeah, I saw that. You're all right, Tyler. Don't worry about it.
Come on, Tyler.
Outside the box.
Outside the box at least, Tyler.
See that white guy over there?
They can stand there. That's fine.
They're at the wall, all right? Just cover up. Hayden.
Get it. Yeah. Dylan, that guy behind you. Yeah.
He's lefty. Watch that corner.
Minute.
Maybe 2 minutes.
All right, defense.
Kid's got a hell of a kick.
Minute.
Nick, hold on. Get it. Go out front. Yeah.
Hard on high.
Stand in front of somebody.
Just it.
Good.
Nice.
Yes, 1 or 2 minutes, he said. Lock it down. Watch part number 6, Josh. Drop back on 6. Watch 6.
Come on, ref. He went for the ball. He didn't go for the guy. Nick,
That's a guy in the
Josh, come
corner.
back. Josh, come for it. Tyler, Get him.
Oh! Nice!
Handball.
On the way! Boot it! Big boot! Boot it! Kick it out, John! Kick it out!
Got it. Guys, please.
You alright? You okay?
Let's go.
You gonna be alright? You need to come out?
Okay.
You alright?
Okay. How many minutes left?
It's pretty much over.
Good game, guys. Shoot it.
So what time we win the game?
Great game.
All those talks about the killer instinct helps.
Good game, LaGrange.